All right, guys, tuning in another Acura Integra today, front-wheel drive circle track car. This is a dirt car. This is one of the nicer front-wheel drive circle track cars I've seen in here. It's pretty to look at. I said that when he dropped it off, and he goes, "Yeah, we'll see how long it looks this nice." But this is a H22 bottom end. I can't remember what cylinder head's on it. It's kind of an oddball combination. I'm not well versed in my Honda engines, unfortunately, but I tune a few of them. I don't build many, so have to excuse me on that side of stuff. But man, this thing is just cool to look at. Check out the interior. Yeah, it's just nice. It's a 16-volt system, no alternator. Yeah, just basic stuff. It's a VTEC cylinder head. He only wants to turn it to 8100. That's where the limiter's at, so we'll see what it makes. I think he said on the track he was typically seeing that 7,800 RPM area before he had the VTEC locked out. Now, I hadn't tuned it before, so I don't have a really good comparison dyno numbers. It was on a different dyno. Said it made 170 to the tire then, but he really can't compare dyno numbers. So anyway, I'm going to dial this thing in and see what we can make with it. All right, we made 187 horsepower, 125 foot-pounds of torque. Turning it off at 8100 was really difficult. Check out this power curve. Imagine what that thing make if we turn it to 85, 8800. But he didn't want to do that. Like, again, his operating range is somewhere in that 77, 7800 RPM area anyway. And it is a stock bottom end deal still, so he didn't want to turn a lot of RPM if we didn't need to. But yeah, tuning process went pretty smooth. Good old Honda stuff, you know, knocked it out. And yeah, that's it for this thing. I'm gonna get it off of here. Sure is a nice car. Anxious to see how he does with it this year. Hopefully it'll stay nice for a little while.